Right, my friends, maybe you can guess in which country I am. Alright my friends, I'm here in the Forbidden Land, which I don't know where I am right now, but here's a 50-meter pool. I will swim 100 meters as fast as I can. Let's go. One 23. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Awesome. Yeah. This is a fantastic pool. No one is here. This is pretty awesome. So to finish my training up, I swim now around 2.5 to 3 kilometers. One last 100 meter round. Now 100 meters because I don't know how I swim. So I'll make a video. One 23. Again, I swim more with technique now, go up, same time. It doesn't matter how I swim. Full retard, commando, or I swim technique, commando, always wins. Fuck yeah. You need to go commando, my friends. The chicas love me so much here in this country because I'm a pretty fucking white boy and I go commando all the time. What's better than a small Red Bull? You got it. A big one. Prost. Mahlzeit. It's a secret waterfall. It's so secret that nobody knows it. No one knows this waterfall. So it's very cold, very, very cold. Yeah, it's okay, it's not too bad. Yes, it's okay. It's deep enough to jump. So maybe I'm gonna jump, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. We have to ask the audience. We have to ask the audience. Okay. So if you need an ambulance, we have some guys who can call the 911, you know. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, fast, yeah. Don't die.
3,
2,
1.
go. You did? Yes. That was good. But da geht's.
Yep. Yep.
All right.
Chicken McNuggets.
But you did it anyway,
But I have the Crocs.
as usual. You did it anyway.
It's tough. It was not easy. When you think about too much, your balls shrink like chicken McNuggets. All right. Yeah, please, thank you. So, I was standing here, and this is the jump. But here you can see that. Yeah. Always think about it. You need to think about what you can do and what you cannot do. If it's too dangerous, if you think it's too dangerous, don't do it. Easy like that. This nice flower here. It's a Edelweiss. Basically a wand commando in the Forbidden Land. That's the forbidden flower in the Forbidden Land. Hello my goats. Are you the goat from Komatsum? Koten? Yes, we are, Joe. Okay, awesome. The Forbidden Lake in the Forbidden Land. I think I'm still in Austria, but who knows exactly. Nice country. It's the fit land in no man's land. The Red Bulls are still big, but they're getting smaller. Welcome.